This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a figure 8 Rappel device. First, let's get familiar with its components. You'll notice a large opening and a smaller opening. It's crucial to attach the device properly to your harness using a locking carabiner. Make sure the device is oriented correctly before you even think about loading the rope. This initial setup is vital for a safe descent. Now, let's load the rope. Take your rope and create a bight, which is essentially a loop. You'll then pass this bight through the large opening of your figure 8 device. Next, bring the bight around the smaller opening, ensuring it forms a secure U-shape. This creates the necessary friction for your descent. Always double-check that the rope is seated correctly before proceeding. With the rope loaded, it's time to rappel. Lean back slightly, keeping your body in a stable, upright position. Your brake hand, typically your dominant hand, will control your descent speed by adjusting the tension on the rope below the device. Your guide hand should remain on the rope above the device, helping to manage the rope and maintain balance. A smooth, controlled descent is key. Sometimes you might need to pause during your rappel. You can achieve this by locking off the figure 8, which allows for a hands-free stop. Once you reach your destination, safely exit the rappel by removing the rope from the device and detaching it from your harness. Always take a moment to perform a final safety check of all your equipment after each use. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.